How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this 2004 Nissan Titan. I have a few episodes with this truck. I did the serpentine belt, I'm gonna put it right here, and I did the tail light, also it's gonna be right here. Today I want to help this lady because I always look out for her. She told me that the hood doesn't hold its weight. The hood lift supports are bad. I ordered some on Amazon, which they're inexpensive, but I hope they're gonna last a long time. For the reviews, they're okay, so I'm gonna put them on. If something goes bad, I'm gonna let you know, guys. I have them right here, and this is a little easy, nice project that you can do in these times where people is just staying at home, and we can do this process really easy. The only thing that you need to do, remove these clips. These ones are the ones that holding the strut in place. Okay, I already secured the other side with pliers. If you have somebody to help you, will be better, because this might get dangerous. If the hood just fell and it came down, you might hurt yourself, so be careful. Little flathead screwdriver, you can remove the little clip that holds the lift support. Put it right here. You might have to force it a little bit to remove it, but just be careful when you're working in here. On the bottom side, same thing. Bottom side, just do the same thing. Pull on the little clip. Get it out. Then you can just pull on the little support. My pliers are holding the hood, but be careful on this step. I got it out, so it's going the same direction. To put it on, see if you can just push it down. Push it, press on it, and it's gonna go in. Okay? Easy as that. Now we have the new one in place on this side. You can just repeat the process on the other side. Now let me see if by removing my pliers, the hood is gonna hold in place with the other one. Oh yeah, strong enough. Same process on this side. Remove the little clip. Remove the clip now. Same process on the bottom. Bottom one is a lot easier. And hold the hood just in case and get it out. Yep, they were old. This one, it has a little curve in it, goes on the bottom. Press on it. One on top. Just push it in, and that's it. Now if you can see, hood is holding in place. These hoods are really heavy, so that's why you need to make sure that these ones work fine. Link is going to be in the description for this hood lift support. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm going to be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.